Hello dear children, welcome back to our online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from Alpine Public School situated Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, to this video, we're going to write the hard words and question answer of chapter number 12. So student, let's start the video. So firstly we have to write the hard words. Okay, so for that you all take out your notebooks and mention date of today, and after that you have to write chapter number. So student, it is a chapter number 12. Okay, and after that you all mention the name of this chapter. So the name of this chapter is How Rabbit Became Real. How Rabbit Became Real. And after that you all make two column, one for word and another for meaning. So there is a first word is insignificant. There is a first word is insignificant, and the meaning of insignificant is unimportant and worthless. Student, you have to note down and also learn it. Okay, so there is a first word is insignificant, and the meaning of insignificant is unimportant and worthless. After that, second word is shabby. Okay, the second word is shabby, and the meaning of shabby is old and worn out. Old and worn out. Next, there is a third word is nana. Okay, third word is nana, and the meaning of nana is here nurse maid. Okay, nurse maid. Now the next fourth word is took no notice of. Took no notice of. So the meaning of this word is paid no attention to. Now the next word is number 5. The next word hustled them away. Okay, the next word is hustled them away, and the meaning of this word is pushed them away roughly. Pushed them away roughly. So now next is last word is fancy all that fuss. Fancy all that fuss. So we have to write the meaning of this given word. Here imagine all that worry and care. Okay, so it is completed of hard words which is given in your chapter number 12. So after doing this, we moving to the next. There is a next exercise A. So what will we do in exercise A? So student, read the sentences and take the correct meaning. So student, we have to take those meaning which is corrected according to the given sentence. Okay, so first is there is a first sentence. Between them, all the poor little rabbit felt very insignificant. There is a first word. Here is the first word. Between them, all the poor rabbit felt very insignificant. So there are two options. First is option number A, rabbit was poorer than the other animals, and second one is rabbit was made to feel unimportant by the other animals. So student, which one is correct? So we have already learned this story, and we all know that rabbit was made to feel unimportant by the other animals because he was the only one who made by the well-beaten. Okay, so here we have to take the option B, and after moving to the next, this second sentence is real isn't how you are mad. It's a thing that happens to you when a child really loves you, then you become real. Student, here is the sentence. Real isn't how you are mad. It's a things that happens to you when a child really loves you, then you become real. So here are again two options. Option number A, there is a toy becomes real when it has the love and friendship of a child, and second one is a toy becomes real only it is new and expensive. So student, here is the option number A is correct. So we have to take the option number A. After this, moving to the next, the third is generally by the time you are real, most of your hair has been lopped off. So here we have to see again two options. In number 1, for a toy to become real, its owner must treat it roughly. And second one is for a toy to become real, its owner must love and play with the toy. So here is the option number B is correct. So we have to take the option number B. Okay student, now moving to the next, number 4 is the fourth sentence is the rocking horse smiled. Boy's uncle made me real, he said. So what the meaning of this given sentence? So here are again two options. In number 1, boy's uncle was a magician who turned the rocking horse into a real horse, and B is the rocking horse was once the beloved toy beloved toy of boy's uncle. So we all know that option number B is correct. So we have to take the option number B. Now next is number 5. In number 5, he was a toy, no longer he was real. He was a toy, no longer he was real. So the meaning of this sentence is, here is again two options, option A and B. So in number A, rabbit turned into a real animal. And second one is, rabbit knew that the boy loved him and it made him feel happy and real. So here is the option number B is correct. So we have to take option number B. Okay students, so like this you have to complete exercise A in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, so now next is, after completing exercise A, there is a next exercise B. So what will we do in exercise B? So student, there is a exercise B, answer this question. So we have to write question answer. Okay, so let's start the writing. There is a first question is, why did the other toys not pay much attention to rabbit? Student, here is a question, why did the other toys not pay much attention to rabbit? So we have to write the answer that because rabbit was only made of velveteen, some of more expensive toys ignored him. Because rabbit was only made of velveteen, so that's why some of more expensive toys ignored him. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1. After this, the second question is, who was the rocking horse and what made him so wise? Student, the question is, who was rocking horse and what made him so wise? So we have to write, rocking horse was a toy. Rocking horse was a toy. He was only a friend of rabbit. We all know that a rocking horse was the only friend of rabbit. So we have to write, rocking horse was a toy and he was the only friend of rabbit. And after that, the rocking had lived longer in the nursery than any of other, that made him a wise. Okay, that made him wise. So student, like this we have to write the answer of question number 2. So rocking horse was a toy, he was only a friend of rabbit. The rocking horse had lived longer in the nursery than any of others, that made him a wise. Okay students, now next is number 3. Third question is, what did rocking horse tell rabbit about becoming real? Write in your own words. So student, you have to write down that what did rocking horse tell rabbit about becoming real. So we have to write, rocking horse tell rabbit that when a child loves you for a long time, not just to play with but really loves you, then you become real. Real isn't how you are mad. Okay students, so this is the answer of question number 3. Now the next number 4 question is, how and why did Nana bring boy and rabbit together again? Question number 4 is, how and why did Nana bring boy and rabbit together again? So we have to write the answer that because the boy left the rabbit into the lawn and he was unable to sleep, that's why Nana went and bring boy and rabbit together again. Okay, I'm again repeating this answer. Okay, because the boy left that rabbit into the lawn and he was unable to sleep, that's why Nana went and bring boy and rabbit together again. Okay student, after completing question number 4, we're going to the next, number 5. In number 5, describe how boy and rabbit's friendship grew and deepened. So we have to write, that night and for many nights after the velveteen rabbit slept in boy's bed, at first he found it rather uncomfortable, but very soon he grew to like it. For boy used to talk to him, so like this the friendship grew and deepened. Okay, so like this the friendship grew and deepened. Now the next, number 6. How did rabbit realize that he was real? Briefly, in your own words, describe what happened before his realization. So we have to write, when boy says that he isn't a toy, he is real. So when little rabbit heard that, he was happy, for he knew that what the rocking horse had said was true. At last, he was a toy no longer, he was real. That night, he was almost too happy to sleep, and so much love filled his little stardust heart. Okay, In number 6, we have to write, when boy says that he isn't a toy, he's real. When little rabbit heard that, he was happy, for he knew that what the rocking horse had said was true. At last, he was a toy, no longer he was real. That night, he was almost too happy to sleep, and so much love filled his little sawdust heart. So, student, these are the question answer of exercise C. You have to write exercise B. You have to write down this question answer in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, students, and you also learn this given question answer and word meaning. So that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you how to complete your notebook. Student, till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.